Okay, so here we have our equation. Y equals cotangent of pi x over 2 plus 2, or plus pi, excuse me, minus 2. So let's take our graph here, draw a little picture, and we're going to take our tremendous 3, which is going to be 0, pi over 2, and pi. Now, however, this tremendous 3 is for the cotangent of x, but our equation here is cotangent of pi x over 2 plus pi minus 2. So we're going to rewrite our tremendous 3, and we are going to change it by taking all the stuff. We're going to do reverse PEMDAS to all the stuff that's in the argument to this tremendous 3, so we can have our new tremendous 3. So, by reverse PEMDAS, we're going to subtract pi on all 3 points. And we're going to end up with pi negative pi over 2, and we're going to end up with 0. And then we're left with cotangent of pi x over 2. Now if we multiply by 2 over pi, which will cancel 2's and the pi's out, we'll remain with cotangent x, which is what we want, right? So now we have to multiply all 3 of these points by 2 over pi. So we'll do that like so. 2 over pi, 2 over pi, and 2 over pi. And right here, our pi's are going to cancel, our pi's are going to cancel, and our 2's are going to cancel here, and nothing will cancel here. So we're going to be left over with negative 2, negative 1, and 0. And this is going to be our new T3. Now, if you recall from just y equals cotangent x, here's what our graph looked like. Now, if we remember sharp points, now if we remembered at our point, that when you travel farther to the left, you increase, and if you travel farther to the right, you decrease. You decrease your y value. So let's take our tremendous 3 points, and we're going to put them on this graph. So we'll do that like so, and we'll put right here negative 2. Cool. And we're going to put here negative 1, and then right here we're going to put 0. And remember that our asymptotes go at points 1, 3. So we're going to go 1 and 3, and we'll leave it like this. Now we can't go ahead and just draw this yet because we still have this negative 2 that we have to worry about. So this negative 2 is like a vertical. This is our vertical shift. So this is saying we're going to move this thing. We're going to move it down 2 units for that one. So we're also going to do the same with ours. So we're going to go 2 units here, and I'm going to draw a dotted line, and this does not represent an asymptote, but this represents my new imaginary x-axis where I'm going to put my points. So I'll put my points now at, my asymptotes stay the same, but my point will be at negative 1, negative 2. And then, because we have no change in amplitude, we're just going to draw this exact same shape, but at a different location. And this is what our graph looks like.